Hello, my name is Dinesh Balachandran and I'm here to talk about this new fund that we are launching called SBI Balanced Advantage Fund. Balanced Advantage Fund attempts to solve two potential investor issues. First, there is this basic human psychology where we are hesitant to invest close to market bottoms but get comfortable investing only close to market tops after valuations have moved up significantly. Second, there are many investors who are comfortable taking some equity risk but are wary of significant drawdowns that are occasionally seen in pure equity mutual funds. The Balanced Advantage Fund attempts to solve these problems by investing in a mix of equity and debt instruments. Further, the allocation to each asset class is varied in a counter-cyclical manner to enhance the risk profile of the fund. In SBI Balanced Advantage Fund, from a taxation perspective, through combination of long equity and arbitrage, we will ensure equity taxation in this fund. Now, we have a three-layered process for constructing the portfolio in this fund. Step 1 is the asset allocation step, where we are trying to determine the percentage allocation to equity and percentage allocation to debt. Here, we have created an objective framework that incorporates three factors: valuations, sentiment, and earnings outlook. For valuations, we do not look at just absolute equity valuations, but want to look at equity valuations compared to debt valuations. Across markets, over time, we've seen that relative valuations matter more than absolute valuations. Also, when talking about equity valuations, we do not want to just focus on current valuations, but want to think about valuations based on earnings that are averaged over the entire economic cycle. When equities look very expensive compared to debt, we want to have higher allocation to debt and vice versa. Now, valuation is a very critical factor when thinking about asset allocation. However, markets can remain overvalued or undervalued for extended periods of time. Hence, to arrive at a better asset allocation decision, we've also incorporated equity sentiment as a key measure. Here, we have developed an in-house sentiment index that looks at various underlying factors like market internals, positioning and flows, internet sentiment. These factors, when put together, give us a good sense as to where we are in the fear to greed spectrum. From a contrarian perspective, when the mood is very depressed, we want to allocate more to equity. And when the mood is euphoric, we want to allocate more to debt. While each of these factors individually have good predictive powers, we have merged them together to arrive at a final asset allocation mix. So in step 1, we have a very objective way to decide on allocation between equity and debt. In step 2, within the equity allocation, we then want to think about size style factors. How much should we allocate to large cap stocks versus small and mid cap stocks? How much to allocate between cyclical stocks and defensive stocks? How much to allocate between value stocks and growth stocks? By using objective parameters, we then decide on allocation to each of these factors. In step 3, we finally arrive at the last but not least important step of actually selecting specific stocks. We here at SBI Mutual Fund have an extensive analyst team who are the sector specialists and have been tracking their sectors for a long time. We ask the analysts every month to submit their highest conviction ideas. We will then pick stocks from this list. This allows us to build a portfolio with the best ideas of our fund house. So when you put it all together, we have a nice combination of objective framework and subjective discretion to arrive at what we think will be a robust portfolio that should do well across market environments. If you need any further clarification, please feel free to reach out to us. Hope you will consider investing in this fund. Thank you and please stay safe.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.